here.
Chrysler's, do you?
And here she is. Here's our Demon crate. It was a long wait for this crate, so we're pretty excited that it finally showed up. It was supposed to come like 2 weeks ago, but they screwed up our name on the VIN plate and on the for the dash emblem, the Demon plate with your name and your build number, along with the plate that's on the top of the box here. They screwed up. They spelled our name wrong on it, so we had to get. They had to redo it and send us a new crate and obviously a new vent piece. So that's why it took so long. But it's finally here. There's not quite 500 miles on the Demon yet, but we're getting there. It's pouring rain today, but we're gonna try to get 500 miles on it by the weekend. But yeah, so got to get 500 miles on this, and then we will be able to throw in that 840 horsepower PCM and get this thing going. So let's see what we got here. Looks like we've got the snap-on torque wrench. We've got a tire gauge, a digital tire gauge here. Looks pretty nice. We've got the two front runners, no tires. We got to get tires for these. Looks like we got the snap-on jack, 1.5 ton aluminum jack with the Demon logo engraved on that as well. Looks like we've got the paperwork for the crate. All right, so here's the snap-on torque wrench. Demon logo engraved on there. It's a really nice piece. So once you remove the front runners, the jack, the torque wrench, and all that from the top part here, this plastic foam piece here is what goes in the trunk of the Demon, so that we can carry this with us if we go to the track or wherever. This piece here is molded to fit the tire tunnel, is what I call it, in the trunk of the car, and I'll show you how that goes in here in a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty neat how that works, how they formed that to fit in the back of the car, so you don't have to worry about, you know, bringing all this to the track, you know, and then going all over the place in your trunk. It's all tied down with these nice straps. These are the same straps that they use for seat belts, so they're real nice. So underneath that foam piece, we've got more goodies. So let's open up this stuff and see what we got in these boxes. I know this here is the Snap-on Impact. This looks like a duffel bag of some sort. And so yeah, let's see what we got here. So here's the Snap-on Impact. 18 volts, half-inch impact wrench. It's got an SRT emblem on it as well. And there it is, lithium-ion batteries, got its own charger, extra battery, 18 volt. It's pretty nice. This looks like we got the vent here with our build number and name. So it looks like in this box here we've got the mirror block off kit. We've got the 2 valve stems for the front runners. We've got the socket with the Demon logo engraved. And then the socket extension. Alright, what may this be? Warranty bulletin. This looks like the PCM. Voila. There's the 840 horsepower PCM. Full factory warranty. What other car can you get that has 840 horsepower covered under a full warranty? Nothing. And here we have the HVAC system with the race fuel button. So I'll explain in another video on how that works, but basically once you put the 840 PCM in there and you put race fuel in the car, you can hit the race fuel button, and that is what triggers the car to, you know, basically retune itself to have more horsepower because it's getting more octane. So this piece here comes out. I'll do an installation video on that once we put this in the car. Alright, in this box here looks like the air filter. This big old air filter. It says air grabber engraved down there. It's got a hole in the end of it. Thing's huge. This here is a fender cover. Basically drapes over the side of the fender here when you're working on the car. It also has a Demon logo on it, but I'm not going to unwrap it just because I want to keep it nice for keeping it all in the crate without having it all bunched up. So that's that. Then we of course got the duffel bag here with the embroidered Demon logo on it, and all the rest of the accessories that come in the crate. Got it all packaged up. Stay tuned for more updates on this. I'll be doing an install video of the PCM and race gas button. I'll be doing an install video and all that, so stay tuned. That completes today's video, guys. Make sure you browse the channel and subscribe. If you like today's video, hit that thumbs up button. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace!